When choosing a business to create your demo build for, the key is determining which of the 3 demo builds will be most applicable. Until you work through the following modules and build demos, you may not know exactly which to choose. Here are some general guidelines. Number 1, automated lead capture. Ideal for any business with inbound leads. These businesses need a way to collect potential customers, names, emails, and phone numbers to bring them through a funnel or perform other lead management tasks. Number 2, customer support management. Perfect for online e-commerce stores or any B2C business to customer. Many of these businesses already have some support in place, but your offer stands out because AI doesn't sleep, AI doesn't call out sick, AI isn't lazy, AI isn't slow, AI is cost effective, and number 3, AI appointment setting. Suitable for businesses that rely on bookings or appointments, such as fitness coaches, consultation services, and brick and mortar businesses like dental offices. While many businesses could benefit from more than one of these services, focus on starting with one to get your foot in the door, and when you become more proficient, you can expand your offering. If you're having trouble deciding which service is best for your niche, post in the AI automation chat and we can help you out.